Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to see your recently added friends on Snapchat. So let's start. First open the Snapchat app. When the app is opened you have to tap on your profile icon on top left corner and go to your profile. Now you have to tap on My Friends. And here you will see all of your friends. Now tap on the three dots on top right corner. And then tap on Recently Added Friends. And here you will see all the friends you have added recently. And that is how you can see all of your recently added friends. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.